अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागं वस्थिता भीष्मेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि. Hello everyone, I am Leena Rajesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Behind the Noise, and today I come with next sloka of Bhagavad Gita, chapter 1, Arjun's Vishrad Yog, and it's none other than the slok number 11. So we discussed this slok in this discussion. We explain it, we got the purport of the slok from Bhagavad Gita. If even you refer this book, you got all the messages from there. And here we do that thing that we discuss, that the discussion is going on step by step. Now here Duryodhan firstly, in our previous looks he explained all the heroes, but now he explained the strategy of war, that we have Bhishma, and if we have Pitama Bhisma, then it's a victory power for us. So he here gave a suggestion that we have to take care of Pitama Bhishma because his presence is enough for us. So if we protect him, uh, all the heroes gave their full protection to Pitama Bhisma. At the same time, they not leave their phalanx of entrance of the strategic point, so we can control our opponent in this war. So it's the idea and it's the discussion between Duryodhan and Dronacharya. At the same time, Duryodhan also know that Dronacharya and Bhishma Pitama, they both are by heart, they are with Pandavas, but although physically they are with Duryodhan, because of their all rules and regulations which they follow, due to ethics, they fight in the team of Duryodhan. So Duryodhan know that if we protect Bhishma, that's enough for victory for us. So here he explained with Dronacharya that how we gave him protection. At the same time, he also here means point out that we not leave another point of entrance empty, so that the warrior or other opponent will attack on that point. So we have to create this strategic way of phalanx, and then we fight them, fight with them, and at the same time we protect Bhishma, because he know that maybe they are emotionally with Pandavas, but physically they are with Duryodhan, because he also in his mind the situation is going on that at the gambling situation, when Draupadi by and force come taken in the Kuru Raj Sabha, at that moment if they are not spoke a single word, so here they are not opposing his side. So this is all situation is going on, and Duryodhan explains step by step of the war strategy with Dronacharya. And in next sloka again I come with next ideas of Duryodhan. So friends, it's all going on that how we deal with the situation. This we got from Bhagavad Gita. Just like right now we are watching sometime Big Boss, in that he explained that what are your priorities. So here Duryodhan know that what are his priorities and who gave him priorities, so he find out their priorities and he work on that priority. So this is all about Bhagavad Gita, and with this I here end my video. Thanks for watching me. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Until then, bye everyone. In my next video I again come with new ideas, new thoughts.